Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to port out from AirTalk Wireless account number, PIN and step-by-step transfer guide. Step 1. Checking carrier unlock status. On iPhone, go to settings, then go to general, then go to about. Scroll down to carrier lock and if it says no phone restrictions, your phone is unlocked. Android. Go to settings, then go to about phone, then go to device details or status. Look for network lock or SIM lock status. If it says unlocked, you are clear to switch networks. If your device is locked, you must contact AirTalk Wireless customer support at 1-800-378-1684 to request a network unlock code. AirTalk requires your account to be in good standing, and free promotional government phones usually have a minimum active service time frame, typically 12 months before they qualify for an unlock. Step 2. Checking network compatibility. Find your IMEI. Dial star hash 06 hash on your phone's keypad. A 15-digit serial number called the IMEI will instantly appear on your screen. Write it down. Next, use a compatibility checker. Go to the official website of the new carrier you plan to join. Look for their BYOP, bring your own phone and compatibility tool. Submit the number. Type your 15-digit IMEI into the online system. The tool will immediately confirm whether your phone will work flawlessly on the network jars. Step 3. Transfer checklist. Phone number, the active 10-digit mobile number you are moving. Account number, your unique 10-digit AirTalk account ID. Port out PIN, the temporary 30-day security code generated from your portal. Full name, the exact legal name listed on your AirTalk profile. Billing address, the official screen address registered to your account. Zip code, the 5-digit postal code tied to that billing address. Step 4. Account details required. Account number. This is a unique 10-digit number. You can find it listed under the My Account tab on the official AirTalk Wireless portal at the top of your monthly bill or in the AirTalk Wireless mobile app. Port out PIN. This is temporary security code. You can generate it by logging into your account, navigating to the Port My Number section, and completing the identity verification prompt. The PIN will be sent to your phone or email and remains valid for 30 days. Step 5. Methods to find your address. Online portal. Log into the AirTalk Wireless portal, click on your profile and select billing information or account details to view the registered street address, city, state, and zip code. Mobile app. Open the AirTalk Wireless app on your phone, log in, navigate to account details or profile, and look for your listed address. Monthly statements. Check the top section of any digital statement or invoice sent to your email. The registered address will be printed clearly next to your name. Step 6. Step-by-step transfer guide. Keep service active. Do not cancel your AirTalk Wireless account yet. Your line must remain active during the entire transfer process. Gather credentials. Retrieve your 10-digit account number and generate your port out PIN using the steps above. Contact new carrier. Give your account number and PIN to your new service provider. They will initiate the porting process on your behalf. Confirm transfer. Wait for your new carrier to complete the activation. Your AirTalk Wireless account will automatically close once the number successfully moves over. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.